Hi, parents. It's Miss Williams. I'm just jumping on real quick to let you know about this week's packets. STEM did their own packet this week, so you'll have all the information you need here just for STEM. Um, so let's go over the lessons for this week. I'm just scrolling down. Okay, so we're starting that back up doing the the daily word problem. So here, each word problem has the date on it, and then the next few until you get to the next word problem are the items that you'll be doing for the day. So here's our word problem. Like you can see, it has the same thing: read, draw, and write. So your child will do that, and then we have some cut and paste. So this one you'll actually cut out and paste on. I am doing the answers as well, so you can see that on my videos. And then the 2D attributes, page 2. Once they do this one, they'll have all of the words with the names so that they can write the names on this one. And then day 2, Tuesday, same thing. We're doing our daily word problem, and then identifying shapes again, a cut and paste. So again, you'll need the scissors and the glue. And then identifying those shapes. The difference here is that we have 2D and 3D shapes. And then Wednesday, you start with your word problem, and then 2D shapes and 2D shapes. These are taking two shapes and making them into one shape, or how many triangles could you find inside this hexagon? So you would think about it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just kind of go from there. Those are fun. And same thing here, finding out the shapes that make up this shape. And then this one is totally for fun, but this actually would help them kind of understand these two a little bit more. They'll cut this part out along the black line, and then keep this one kind of like a puzzle master for right now. And they would take these shapes that they cut out, put them on top of this, and see if they can make the square again. See if, number one, they can do it without this square. See if they can figure it out without the master here. But then they're going to ask all these questions about it and answer these questions, and then they get to use those pieces to complete this puzzle. So that's super fun. They love it. And here's another one where they can just make their own puzzle. Okay. But again, that's just for fun, and it's just pieces to help your child understand that we can turn and put those different shapes together to make another shape. Let's see. Then Thursday, again, lesson 4, word problem. And then here we are working on symmetry, putting shapes in half. So equal parts on either side. So this one has equal parts on either side. So yes. And then this one does not have equal parts. This one's smaller than this one, so it would be no. And then this is a cut and paste, same thing. Does it have equal parts, equal or unequal? So that's kind of getting into that geometry a little bit. And then here is more of a coloring, color the equal parts. And then last day, Friday, is starting off again with a word problem, and then doing equal shares. And this one doesn't have the equal shares drawn for them, so they're drawing them on their own. And then writing the number of equal parts and drawing the lines for equal shares. And here it kind of is done for them, equal shares and unequal shares. Okay, so the kids should have fun with that, and then we're on to next week, so we don't even have to worry about that yet. But they should have a lot of fun with it. If you guys have any questions on any of it, come to my 2:30 parent meeting for my office hours, and I'd be glad to help. Thanks. Bye.